Hey Scrappy Peeps, welcome to another Tuesday morning haul. So I did find some great Maggie Holmes, some more Maggie Holmes stuff. I found 3 other stamp sets, including the one that I already had on a recent haul, and some other miscellaneous goodies. So I will start with the Maggie Holmes. So I got 3 stamp sets. There were 4. I got this one. And it's $2.99, and the locator number is 2068475. And so you've got the ballerina, the wreath, hello love, and the horse. And then this is the guitar with some florals and some music and a feather and hashtag blessed, and that is 2068476, also $2.99. And then the floral with the layers there and the bird and the butterfly, and that is 2068488, also $2.99. And those are regularly $6, so for half price that's a steal there. Also from Maggie Holmes, I have this 44 mixed ephemera. So there's some vellum pieces and some nice giant words. So those are all the pieces that are in there. So celebrate, adorable. It's from 2014, but I still am from the confetti collection. I'm going to get tons of great use out of that. I love that frame there, the gold foil. And that product locator number there is 2068447, and that was $2.49. I got these cards, 4x6 cards from the Carousel collection, and that is product locator number 2068431. And so you can see that's a frame there, the Carousel, the swan, and it moves the little wing there, that. And look at that carousel. How cool is that? I don't remember seeing that as part of the collection, so that was neat. And you can see all of those there. And then I also got the accent stickers for $1.99. Just some fun birthday, some letters, and some labels. And I believe this is also from the confetti collection. No, that's not right. I'm not sure what collection that is, but there's the product locator number there, 2068440. So that is the Maggie Holmes goodies that I got. I also got this stamp set from Bo Bunny, those little critters. I love that fox and this bear. So for $2.99, product locator number 2022961. So I thought that would be fun for some stamping. And then from Jen Hadfield, I got 120 phrase stickers. You can always use phrase stickers. So 2 different colors, the white, the black, and then that peachy pink there, $1.99. 2097822 is the product locator number for that. And then I got this 40 pack of ephemera, and those are the bits and pieces from the My Bright Life collection. I love that lemon in there, and that is product locator number 2093178. I did get a paper pack. They seem to be a little bit more expensive than they were. Maybe they're not. $3.99. That's the product locator number there, 2052704, and it's from Simple Stories, so from the Domestic Bliss collection. So I'm not so much interested in that, but that is a great neutral that I will get a lot of use out of. And so yes, there are 25 pieces of paper, but yeah, that's a great background, and I'll get lots of use out of that. Then I also got from Heidi Swapp. This is it's for use with the mink. And that is all of the ephemera that's in there from her new collection. And so you can add foil effects, or you can leave them as they are. So that is product locator 2097809 for $2.19. I thought that was a steal. These were on sale because they've got the sticker on them, and so these were thickers. They're just gray, but I thought I'd get good use out of that. And so that's an old product locator number and an old price there, 1935288. And then I found some other goodies I got from Shamil, from the box of crayons, these corner embellishments or photo corners. 2079192 for $1.99. And then I got these three things from the Whimsical collection from Paige Evans from Pink Paislee. I thought that was a great find. So there is the ephemera. Look at that fox, isn't he cute? And that's product locator number 2097802, $1.99. And then the enamel shapes that go with that, there's 72 of them, and that's the product locator number there, 2097800 for $2.19. And then last but not least, from that same collection, stickers. There's 256 stickers in there, which I thought was, and they're gold foiled as well. That's letters, flowers, kind of like washies, and that's it. So those 4 pages there, and that's 2097801 for $1.99. Thanks for stopping in today. I hope you're doing well. Take care.